Hello, yes, Captain, I can hear you, and I have received my mission loud and clear to make a friend. And lucky for me, I have made two very spectacular friends, the first of which is Shelley. Hello, Shelley.
Hi, how are you?
I'm so good, and I'm so excited to meet you and this magnificent creature here. Can you tell me, what is this?
Okay, so this is Zorro, and Zorro is a masked owl.
A masked owl. Is that because he is wearing a disguise?
A little bit. If you have a look at his face, it looks a little bit like a mask. So he is one of 11 species that we have here in Australia, and we have two different families, which is the hawk face and the disc face. So if you have a look at his face, it looks like a mask because it is a disc.
That is unbelievable. Zorro is so pretty. Tell me, where does Zorro live?
So Zorro lives here in Australia. We're lucky all the way down the coast, right into Tasmania. But his closest relative is the barn owl. And the barn owl looks pretty much the same, but a little bit smaller. And they're found in every continent in the world apart from Antarctica.
Everywhere, but is it too cold for them in Antarctica?
A little bit too cold, yes, absolutely.
All right. And, okay, quick question. If Zorro had any superpowers, what do you think they would be?
Oh, wow. He has quite a few superpowers. So one is he has asymmetrical ears, which what that means is that one ear is up and one ear is down. So totally lopsided ears. But this helps him pinpoint where an animal is, where his prey is that he's going to catch without even having to see it.
Wow. So if he had human ears, there would be one up here and one down here.
Absolutely. And he would look rather funny.
That's amazing. And I'm a little bit nervous about those claws there. They're very big. What can you tell me about those?
Okay, so he really, really needs those to catch his food. So these are called Talons. And what they do is they grab that food, and when he goes to fly away, he can lock those talons so he doesn't actually drop his food until he lands. So they're spectacular and they're really strong. Hence the reason why I'm wearing a glove today.
That explains it, absolutely. And my final question will be, what can we do to make sure that we always have owls like Zorro around?
Okay, so owls need big hollows to nest in, and unfortunately these hollows take 100 years to form in a tree, and that's a long, long time. And with all the trees getting knocked down for houses, the one thing that we can actually do is ask our parents to help us build nest boxes to pop up in the trees, and that helps these guys breed.
That is so exciting. Well, thank you, Shelley, and thank you, Zorro, so much. I'm really glad that we could become friends. I would say that that is a mission accomplished. Back to you, Captain.